Hi, welcome. This is Studio 217. I'm Judy Lucas. Welcome to Goggleworks. I'm working on a piece right now that's called Rosemary's Garden. I went to visit a girlfriend of mine who has a koi pond, and it was feeding time for the fish, and the fish were jumping all over the place and whirling and trying to get the little bits of food. So when I came back to my studio, I wanted to capture that moment. That's what I like to do in my work. I like to capture a feeling. I like to capture a moment, whether it's the whirling of this koi pond or maybe the serenity of this pond. This was another pond up in the Poconos. I like to capture that feeling. I'm happy you're here. I live next to a farm, which is wonderful. It offers me a lot of opportunities for the vegetables that are growing in the farmer's yard, and also the animals that pose without being paid. It's really nice. There's another picture I'd like you to see over here. This painting is called A Walk in the Daffodils, and this was painted at the same farmer's location. He has this large field of daffodils. This was painted last year when all the daffodils were in bloom, and I had to walk back through them to get to the barn, which I painted over there. So that again, I try to capture the feeling of that moment when the motion of the flowers and that particular moment in spring was what I wanted to try to nail down. I hope I've done it successfully. I like to do more abstract work sometimes as well, and there's a painting here that has, this is called Hopeful Heart, and it was done around Valentine's Day, so it was a hopeful heart.
Turning Point Media, collaborating with global corporations and small business. Advancing the cause for nonprofit and civic organizations. Creating a competitive edge in a digital age. On target, on time, on budget. Change your direction with Turning Point Media.